In this module, we are going to study click reaction, its characteristics, Husgen 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. Before starting the reaction, let's have a glance of click chemistry and reaction. Click reactions are easy to carry out, yield high selectivity, should be compatible with water and other protic solvents. Click chemistry is a collection of such reactions which gain quick acceptance in biotechnology, material and polymer science, and in medicinal chemistry. The concept click chemistry was first introduced by K.B. Sharpless and co-workers in 2001. Click reaction is a highly efficient, selective and simpler one. Any reaction that can produce conjugate molecules efficiently from smaller units under simple reaction conditions can be considered as a click reaction. So, this is the brief introduction of click reaction and click chemistry. Now, let's discuss first Husgen 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. This reaction was discovered by German scientist Rolf Husgen, therefore termed as Husgen 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. It is also termed as HDC, that is the shortcut of Husgen 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. HDC is the reaction between alkyne, which is also termed as dipolarophile, and an azide, that is 1,3 dipolar compound. Both these are unreactive under physiological conditions and undergo cycloaddition reaction only at an elevated temperature. 1,3 dipole is a dipolar compound with delocalized and separation of charge over 3 atoms, and dipolarophiles are reactive alkenes or alkynes. These are few examples of 1,3 dipoles such as azide, diazoalkane, nitrile oxide, etc. with the proper charge separation. This reaction between azide and terminal alkyne gives two products, that is 1,4 and 1,5 triazole at high temperature. The difference between HOMO and LUMO energy levels of both azide and alkyne are comparable. However, the reaction is uncatalyzed, hence slow reaction, and it's not regioselective. Mechanism is a simple concerted mechanism which gives a mixture of products, that is 1,4 and 1,5 product, by the reaction of terminal alkyne carbon with the terminal nitrogen of azide gives 1,5 triazole as a product, whereas reaction of terminal azide with the internal alkyne carbon gives 1,4 triazole product. Click reaction. Click reaction is the copper catalyzed reaction of an azide with terminal alkyne to form a 5-member heteroatom ring. The term click refers to reactions that are efficient, selective, versatile in nature and give single product which is high yielding. The reaction can be carried out in benign and easily removable solvents without the need of chromatographic purification. These reactions are copper catalyzed cycloaddition reaction between azides and terminal alkynes, which are 10 to the power 7 times faster than uncatalyzed addition uncatalyzed reaction. In the reaction, copper, which is in +1 oxidation state, makes a better interaction with 1,3-dipolorophile, that is on treatment with alkyne, which activates the alkyne to react faster with the azide. This copper 1 catalyzed reaction highly regioselective and gives only 1,4 adduct. That reaction can be carried out at room temperature and at much faster rate. The reactions work well when a mixture of water and an alcohol is used as a solvent. Mechanism. The copper catalyzed cycloaddition reaction proceeds through a stepwise mechanism. The reaction begins with the formation of a copper alkyne pi complex. This copper pi alkyne complex then forms a copper acetylide after deprotonation of alkyne proton. This copper acetylide is in which copper is in or copper is bearing positive charge due to its electropositive nature and along with carbon which is electronegative here. So, leads to the formation of copper acetylide. This coordination of copper with alkyne makes acetylenic proton more acidic, which allows deprotonation to occur in aqueous medium even in the absence of base. One of the copper coordinates with the azide nitrogen, which then cyclizes to give a metallocycle. Which is done by nucleophilic attack of the terminal nitrogen of the azide group on the internal carbon of the alkyne, which then undergo ring contraction. This relatively faster step yields a copper triazolide which undergo protonation to liberate the 1,4 disubstituted triazole and regenerates the copper 1 catalyst, that is copper is in +1 oxidation state. This is the whole mechanism of click reaction. This is the application of click reaction. Now try to generate this triazole product yourself by using click reaction. Thank you very much.